Yeah, boy, that look a whole lot better right there. Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video. And as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we are changing out another mod, and I'm gonna call this like an accent mod, because this is kind of like one of them things where when you just admiring the beauty of the car, you're just checking out all the little, different details and stuff, and you see that and you're like, ooh, that's nice. It's one of them kind of mods. So anyway, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be swapping out these side marker lights here. These right here, changing those out. So this is what we look like right now. So we're gonna change these out. As you can see, these of course were originally red. I tinted them with the Lux Auto Concepts tint on the front here, and this was, man, back in the day right here from my channel. But so we changing this out. Gonna put the LED side marker lights in. It only cost 60 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description on eBay to where you can get them from. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you right now, and then we're gonna get into this install process. Okay, so here we go. So right here, we have, I believe these are the rear lights. These are the rear lights right here, and as you can tell, they are already black. So I like that, man. That's a real nice touch. So they're already black, and then we got the front ones right here, and they're labeled on the box, rear and front. Or you can just play the color, you can just play the shape game, or you just place it up there and see if it fits. All right, but anyway, so let me go on and break it down for you as far as the installation is concerned. Okay, so with this installation, if you have a Challenger and you're doing this, it's really not that difficult. So what you're gonna have to do, especially for the front right here, is where it's really easy for the front and the back. So let me go on and show you real quick. Let me get my flashlight out. I'm in the house here. But basically what you're gonna do, since the light is right there, you're just gonna take, if you have any rivets or anything, which I've already popped mine out, but you're gonna turn your wheel so that you can reach here, and you're gonna pull behind this plastic right here, and there's a clip, just one clip. You pop that clip out, and then you unplug it, and put the other one in. That's it. Okay, that's for the front. Now let's move on back here to the back. So for the back, now I know it looks kind of tricky, but basically what you're gonna do, let me see if I can get this angle here for y'all real good. All right, so if you wanna jack the car up, you can, but basically what you're gonna do, you're just gonna go right up under here. Boom, there it is right there. So you reach your hand up under here. Just gonna reach your hand up under here, pop that clip out, unplug it, swap it out. All right, so as you can see, that right there that's in the way, that's my muffler for my boiler attack. If you happen to have your car a straight pipe, it's gonna be a whole lot easier for you if you have a straight pipe to reach. But if you don't, if you have a mid muffler delete and you still have your resonators in the back, yeah, you might just have to pull the plastic just a little bit to try to reach up under there, and then pop it out, which is cool. So let me go down and swap these fronts out, and then swap the backs out, and then we're gonna see how this thing looks. All right, so after a pretty surprisingly long time, after I popped the light out, I've had a really hard time with this clip, man. And it's probably because it's never been changed before, but when you pull the light out, man, you got this red clip right here. So it's slid out right now, but basically when you have it plugged in, you're gonna have to pull or get you a tool or something, not the plastic tool. You probably gonna have to get you a flathead to pop this back. So that'll pop back right there. And then you'll have to put it between here and the light. So if you can see right here, this is the old light, but there's a notch right there. So you have to kind of, this is how it originally goes in, but you'll have to put the flathead right there and pop up the black piece to let go of the light to unplug it. All right, so let me go ahead and unplug this thing in, man, and let's move on to the next one. All right, so we got both of the front lights on. I will say that the second one is a whole lot easier to put in once you understand how to pop that clip out on the first time around. So now we're moving on to the back. This time I'm gonna use the jack, man, because my car is lowered, so it's gonna be a little less clearance for me to get up under there. So I'm gonna use the jack, I'm gonna jack it up, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same exact way. I won't be able to show you exactly, so I'm gonna show you on a new clip. But basically what you'll have to do, let me see if I can line this up perfectly here. All right, so this is how it's gonna be back there. So what you're gonna have to do, if you're looking at the back of this new clip here, you'll have to reach over to this side here. Make sure you pop that clip first, and then you have to shift it over to loosen that side. And from there, you'll be able to just pull it out, and that's where you'll have to use the flathead to pop out that red clip and to pop it out. So we're gonna see how fast I can do this, which shouldn't take too long. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, Pride Squad, man, so I have swapped out the old bulbs. I swapped out the old for the new, and man, I'm just gonna show y'all this, man. Start from the front. Those look a hell of a lot better, man. Look at that. I didn't think it would make that much of a difference. But damn. Yeah, you can tell that ain't no regular type stuff, man. For sure. Alright, man, so y'all see the lights, man. If you're interested in getting these, the link will be in the description below. Y'all make sure y'all drop a like if you like the video, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time at the channel, man. But as I always say, y'all stay safe out here in these streets, man. Go follow me on social media. Links will be in the description below. And yeah, this look good right here, man. I'm about to enjoy this for a minute. I'll holler at y'all in the next one, man. Peace.